Hello friends, welcome back. Today I am going to show you how we can record our screen and make video. So let's start. For this one we have to go in our Play Store and we need to download DU Recorder as you can see in this screen. Okay friends, after this install just open. So I will show you all how to use, and there is option all. Okay, so there is, first of all, this setting we need to work for setting, because this is the main. Open setting, video resolution, put same like 720 pixel because it's good. You can use any types of Android mobile and also in another Android mobile also. Video quality auto, FPS auto, video orientation auto, record audio should be on, video location depend you. Invert video color I make off. If you want to make on, you can make on. This one no need to do anything. Then recording mode standard, hide the record window when record. This is when you want to make record. It's showing time, as you can see here is available. If you want to hide this section, you can hide from this option. This is option for your how you want to stop your recording. There is so many options. There is option for but the most there is option for shake. Shake, no need to go here and upside stop from this option. So just you make shake your phone, it will be stop. Then not close apps when you exit the floating window, is off. Disable pop notification after screenshot off. Countdown before you record any your video. There is timing. Hide the recording button on home page. This is if you want to make on, your recording will be off. Same this one. Okay, keep recording when screen is off. Pause recording for incoming calls. Okay, there is an option for screenshot if you want to make on or off. Camera, brush, brush, same this one, you can take any. There is downside also, you can see in display. There is option for color, you can choose any color. This is for undo, this is for erase, this is for camera. You can take any picture, then close. There is also available for GIF recorder. Then this is show touches. If you want to, now you can see this one, but after make off you cannot see here. Okay, so this is for show touches. Watermark if you need or not. So these are very important option. I hope you understand this one. Let's back. This is for setting. First for edit video. From here you can edit your any video. You can use for this one merge any video. This is for video to GIF, another Wi-Fi transfer. Then this is for edit image, you can edit an image. Then this one stitch image, also stitch. Okay friends, you can see after stitch it will come same like combine. So these are options, I hope you understand. Then this is for this, we are not using these are. Okay, this is for camera, and this is for your save videos, you can see here also, but these are not important. The most important are only two, and yes, then this is setting and for this option. Okay, so let's start. I will show you how we can work. Open your DU recorder. If you want to record your any video, just go here and this will be appear open. Then go upside. Now I have this one pause option, but when you make recording, that time you will not see this pause option. There will be play. Okay, after this one you can play. Then if you want to stop your video, there is option for video off. Okay friends, so this is the main things. Then setting you know very well. After making your any video, you can also edit from here. Example, I take any picture, I go edit video, I take any video from my mobiles. Example, I take this one. From here you can remove your watermark. Okay, if you want to trim your video, you can trim from here how many you need. Okay, there is also preview option available. After then okay and save, your trim video will be saved. Okay, then you can remove also middle, and there is music also you can put. There is option for subtitle, option for add image, intro and outro option. Okay, you can put here any, if you have image starting time, you can show your any, you can also put any title here, and outro also. There is option for outro and intro, you can put any image also, because you can see there is option for plus. There is option for plus from here. If you can make any image from your side also, you can select for your intro and also for outro. Okay friends, then this is for background image, you know. You can, because horizontal it will not support, so but for another I will show you. I have another video example, this one. This, see, this is for watermark. Okay, from you need to close this watermark, so I'm going to cross. Okay, now it's removed. I will show you background image, what I mean. There is option, you can see in the behind of mobile, there is option for watermark. From here you can choose any watermark. Okay, then there is option for upside. Okay, you can press okay if you need any background. Another for crop, you can crop your window from up and down. Okay, this is for cropping. This is for speed, you want to give your speed more or high. Okay friends, there is option for change speed, also timing, you can give any timing. Then okay, last for rotate, you can rotate your image in landscape or horizontal, vertical. Okay friends, this is option. So only these are options are using in this feature. I hope you understand. Also merge video, if you want to merge any video. Example, if I merge 1 2 3, okay, I make merge, but it will take long time because for merging. Okay, these were 3 different videos, so I made merge option. You can see how it's become in one place. So this is very good option friends for your screen recorder. You can make also your own video, and you can also guide any types of on any types of topics. Okay friends, now you can see this is already merged, and I make this one. So, okay friends, so this is in this way you can merge your video. So this is very helpful apps. If you have any comment or any problem, you can ask me in my Android mobile, I mean my comment box options. Thanks for watching friends, bye bye.